Hello everyone, today I'm going to make some porridge. It's so easy, you could do this at home. You'll just need a small pan, you don't need the lid, and a spatula. And this is the small glass that I use to fill up with porridge. Fill up the glass with the porridge oats, chuck it in the pan, and then with the same glass I'm going to put in 2 glasses of cold water. Oh, and now we need to put the heat on, so you'll need a grown-up to help with this bit. Now we don't want it too hot, so turn it down and start to stir the porridge oats and the water.
Is it nearly ready yet?
No, not yet. Keep it stirring. Now we don't want it to boil and bubble, we just want it to bubble gently. We call it simmering. After a few minutes you'll probably notice it looks a little less wet and the porridge oats have started to fatten up a bit. So I've kept the heat nice and low and now it's starting to look really gloopy, not soupy.
Soup as well?
It's nearly ready. At this stage, I put in a little bit of butter. Not too much, just enough to make it creamy. Stir it around to mix that in. Different people like to put different things in their porridge. Some people put a little bit of salt, some people put banana, but I like to put a little bit of runny honey. Oh, wait a minute. Don't forget to take the lid off. In goes the honey. Again, just a little bit, just to give it a bit of sweetness. And now it's ready to serve. But turn the heat off. You'll need a grown-up to help you with that. And leave it just for a few minutes to cool down. You might want to give it a little blow to make sure it's not too hot.
Is it ready now?